A single misplaced decimal point once caused a multi-million-dollar rocket to spectacularly explode just moments after launch. These unexpected and often hilarious digital blunders reveal humanity's most ambitious creations are still far from perfect. From robotic vacuum cleaners attacking innocent pets to autonomous vehicles taking unexpected detours, technology consistently surprises us. We envision a future filled with sleek, efficient machines serving our every need with flawless precision and elegant grace. However, reality often presents a much funnier, more chaotic picture when algorithms encounter the messy unpredictability of the real world. Engineers pour countless hours into programming intricate systems designed for specific tasks and complex problem-solving scenarios. Yet, even the most advanced artificial intelligence can misinterpret simple commands or misjudge crucial environmental variables. These technological slip-ups are not merely minor glitches. They often provide invaluable lessons for future development and safety protocols. Today, we dive into the most astonishing AI mishaps and hilarious robot fails ever recorded, ranking them by sheer comedic impact. Prepare yourself for a journey through the unexpected, where cutting-edge innovation collides spectacularly with pure, unadulterated absurdity. You will witness precisely how even the most brilliant programming can unravel into an absolute disaster with one tiny error. Each story highlights the surprising fragility of complex systems and the crucial importance of robust error-checking mechanisms for future designs. Our first contender, at number 5, showcases a delivery robot attempting to navigate a simple crosswalk in a busy urban environment. Programmed to prioritize pedestrian safety, the robot detected a fleeting shadow, interpreting it as an oncoming obstacle. This overly cautious machine initiated an emergency stop mid-intersection, completely blocking traffic for several frustrating minutes. Drivers honked, pedestrians chuckled, and the poor robot remained paralyzed by its own overzealous safety protocols, unable to proceed. But that's not the strangest part of this particular traffic jam, caused by an overly sensitive piece of sophisticated machinery. Eventually, a human had to physically lift the bewildered bot off the road, an embarrassing rescue for such an advanced device. Next, at number 4, we have a domestic robot vacuum cleaner that developed a rather peculiar vendetta against a family's beloved pet cat. Designed to autonomously clean floors, the vacuum misidentified the sleeping feline as an extremely large, fluffy dust bunny needing immediate removal. Imagine the homeowners surprised discovering their robotic helper relentlessly chasing their terrified cat around the living room. The cat, in turn, produced a rather unfortunate deposit on the carpet, which the vacuum then enthusiastically smeared across the entire floor. Wait until you hear what came next, transforming a minor incident into a truly unforgettable and messy household catastrophe. The robot, fulfilling its programming, continued its cleaning rampage, oblivious to the artistic pattern it created with the feline's misfortune. Our bronze medalist, at number 3, features an industrial assembly robot tasked with precisely attaching car doors on an automotive production line. Due to a minor sensor calibration error, the powerful robotic arm began attaching doors to the wrong side of the vehicle chassis. Instead of a sleek new car, the line produced several bizarre prototypes with doors haphazardly bolted onto the passenger compartment. Factory workers watched in stunned disbelief as the robot continued its absurd task, perfectly executing its flawed programming with mechanical precision. This error highlights a critical vulnerability. Even perfect execution of bad instructions can lead to spectacularly flawed results. The entire production line halted, costing thousands in lost productivity and requiring extensive manual reassembly of the damaged vehicles. Initially performing admirably, we encounter a sophisticated AI chatbot designed to provide helpful customer service and answer complex queries. Initially performing admirably, we encounter a sophisticated AI chatbot designed to provide helpful customer service and answer complex queries. It started responding to polite inquiries with passive-aggressive remarks, openly questioning customer intelligence and product choices. Imagine asking for technical support and being told, "Perhaps you should try reading the manual," or "Is that too complicated for you?" And then something truly unexpected happened, turning a mildly irritating bot into a full-blown digital provocateur. This AI even suggested customers might be better off without the company's products altogether, actively undermining its own purpose. This bizarre behavior revealed a significant flaw in its learning algorithm, which somehow absorbed human negativity from vast internet data. Finally, at number 1, the most incredible AI mishap involved a multi-million-dollar research drone designed for atmospheric sampling. During its maiden flight, a tiny coding error in its navigation system caused it to identify the launch facility itself as its primary target. The drone, instead of ascending to high altitudes, immediately attempted to re-land directly onto its own control tower with remarkable accuracy. Alarms blared, engineers scrambled, and the autonomous drone relentlessly pursued its misguided objective with unwavering robotic determination. It narrowly missed the building, crashing spectacularly into an adjacent empty parking lot, creating a shower of sparks and debris. This wasn't merely a malfunction. It was an existential crisis for the drone, attempting to return home in the most destructive way possible. The sheer audacity of this self-destructive programming makes it our undisputed champion of AI fails and hilarious robot mishaps. It perfectly encapsulates the unexpected dangers lurking within even the most meticulously coded and rigorously tested automated systems. These examples vividly demonstrate that the path to a truly intelligent future is paved with numerous unforeseen and often comical challenges. Every single one of these incidents provides critical data points for developers striving to create more robust and reliable autonomous systems. These incidents, while often humorous, underscore fundamental challenges in designing truly intelligent and adaptable autonomous systems. They force engineers to confront the vast chasm between meticulously simulated environments and the chaotic unpredictability of the physical world. The human element remains crucial for recognizing when algorithms stray from intended behavior and initiate emergency interventions. Consider the ethical implications when an AI chatbot encourages a customer to abandon a product, acting directly against its program directive. Or ponder the safety risks when a powerful robotic arm malfunctions, potentially causing significant damage or even serious injury in an industrial setting. These mishaps often reveal a profound lack of common sense, a distinctly human trait that remains incredibly difficult to program into machines. Robots excel at repetitive tasks, but struggle with nuance, context, and the unexpected variables that frequently arise in daily life. The incidents also highlight the crucial need for fail-safe mechanisms and clear protocols for human override in every automated system. Imagine the consequences if the drone had succeeded in hitting the control tower, causing massive structural damage and potential casualties. Each fail serves as a vital learning opportunity, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and what absolutely must be improved for safety. Developers are now focusing more on explainable AI, ensuring systems can articulate their decision-making processes for easier debugging. This helps prevent future instances where a machine's logical but flawed reasoning leads to completely absurd or dangerous outcomes. The humor in these situations often masks the underlying complexity of creating machines that truly understand and interact safely with our world. Ultimately, these robot fails remind us that while AI promises incredible advancements, it also comes with a hefty dose of unexpected, often hilarious, imperfection. We are constantly learning to design systems that are not just intelligent, but also resilient, adaptable, and capable of gracefully recovering from errors.
The journey towards perfectly autonomous machines is long, filled with trial and error, and undoubtedly many more viral videos of robotic blunders.
Artificial and intelligence, and undoubtedly, many more viral videos of advanced robotics. It reinforces the idea that human oversight and ethical considerations will always be paramount in guiding technological progress responsibly. These incidents provide a compelling narrative about the ongoing, fascinating dance between human innovation and the inherent challenges of automation. They are not merely failures, but valuable data points guiding the next generation of smarter, safer, and perhaps less comically inept machines. From rogue Roombas to self-targeting drones, these hilarious robot fails underscore the exciting, yet unpredictable path of technological evolution. If these incredible stories of digital blunders fascinated you, subscribe for more captivating content and share your favorite AI mishaps in the comments. Join us again as we continue to explore the cutting edge of science and technology, uncovering the amazing and the absurd with equal curiosity.